Hey YouTube, my name is Andrew with Triangle 4 Studios, and today I'm going to show you how to make clouds in Blender in under 2 minutes. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go over to Materials and create a new material, call it Clouds. Go to your Render tab, Volumetrics, set your tile size down. You can even set it to 1 if you want. Enable volumetric shadows. Split the screen, select Shader Editor. Zoom in there, have a closer look. We're going to add a few different settings here, a few different nodes. The first node we're going to add is a color ramp. Actually, we're going to get rid of this principled, and we're going to add a principled volume, and plug it into the volume node, and then plug this color into the density. You're going to add a noise texture. Put this at about 50%, bring this all the way up to 100. Plug the factor into the factor. Bring the detail up to 32. You can go a little less than that, you can go maybe 20. Okay, we're going to add a map. Vector to vector. And texture coordinate. And for this one, we'll go to object to vector. Go to your light, bring it up to 5000, switch over to Eevee. And just like that, you got clouds. And then if you want to, you can increase the brightness of this by just going to the V, which is the value, making it 2, make it a little bit brighter. Don't scroll down like I just did while I was in the middle of setting the node, and that's it.